only one. Always one only, right? Whether load is there or not, always one. So this is static behavior. But my requirement is, if pod load is more, pod count should be increased. If the pod load is less, count should be decreased. So dynamic scaling, same like auto scaling group, right? Auto scaling group is what? Minimum, maximum, desired. Here desired means what? Only one. Minimum, maximum based on CPU utilization. So in this case, definitely we have to write one more YAML file. See, Kubernetes interaction all are in YAML file only. Now we are going to say to cluster, hey cluster, if the load is more on my nodes, create a many pods. In that case, how you can inform, write a YAML file and give the instruction to that. So the first thing is, so horizontal pod auto scaling that YAML file. This is the YAML file. Kind is horizontal pod auto scaler. Metadata means what? Horizontal pod auto scaler name. Specifications. Okay, what are the specifications for horizontal pod auto scaling? Increase the count, decrease the count based on the load. Those are the specifications only, right or not? Minimum is what? 1. Max is what? 10. Based on CPU utilization. My CPU utilization average is only 1% anyway. We can check the pods, or we can increase the set point. Even auto scaling group concept time also we have reduced the set point to check the behavior immediately, right? Okay. Which resource it is? CPU resource. Which metric it is? CPU metric. Understand? See, block is for what here? Metric. Specific inside horizontal pod autoscaler take care of two things. Two specifications. First specification is what? Minimum, maximum pods. Next specification is what? Metrics. Which metric? CPU metric. So these two informations we have to give in the horizontal pod auto scaling. These two options we have already given in the auto scaling group inside manually in AWS EC2 time. But pod, Kubernetes, everything we should give through YAML only. Okay. Now horizontal pod auto scaling. Okay, these two specifications per following. But one thing is very important. This HPA should call to your deployment, right? To increase the pod, to decrease the pod, right or not? See, someone has to say to deployment.yaml, you can increase the pods, you can reduce the pods. Who will say that? Horizontal pod auto scaling. In that case, horizontal pod auto scaling should communicate with deployment.yaml. Let's go to the paint. Yeah. Next, go to deployment.yaml. I'm just taking from here only, instead of taking a complete. If you can see now here, your horizontal pod autoscaler should communicate to deployment.yaml. In that case, how it is going to be deployment.yaml communication? Metadata. Clear na? Clear? So in your different deployment is there, this name will play a very important role. Metadata name. Understand why? Controller will check etcd information. Etcd information stores what? Metadata only, right? That's what. Why labels are not prioritized here? Etcd inside labels are not a matter here. Etcd inside is what? How many pods are running? Which pod count? Which ls? So my n, let me remove cluster IP. So ls. Deployment.yaml is there, service.yaml is there, right? kubectl apply -f dot. kubectl get pods. Okay. Now kubectl get SVC. Load balance also created. So the type is load balance. The type. kubectl top pods. This will give the information of the load. 2 CPUs, one maybe byte memory. So now if I increase the load on this pod, one more pod should create, right? But it won't create. Why? It's a static scaling. In this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply horizontal pod auto scaling .aml also. VI HPA.aml. Let's go to copy. Don't forget to run. Clear till here. HPA.aml also created. Next, what I need to do, increase the load to check the count increasing or not. Increase the load, I'm using a small script, a stress command, test.sh. So here I need to change, copy. I'm going to hit my service multiple times. So here I want to change what? Load balancer endpoint. That means by using for loop 1 to 1000 times continuously I'm going to hit my load balancer. For loop means it's a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change carefully, okay? Copy. So VI test.sh. I'm going to hit from external because of this is load balancer type. If you want to check internal, log in the node on the stress command inside by using curl command. Service you need to hit. Seven, six, nine. So how to run shell script? sh test.c, continuously hitting the load. Now you can open here one more tab. You can see the process should run continuously. Don't, if you give control C, kill that process. kubectl, see creating automatically. Clear? Before only one replica, right? Now creating. Now you can check the load also. kubectl top pods. Okay. See CPU increasing or not? So now you can check kubectl get HPA. See set point is what? 1%. Present load is what? 8%. Now your deployment.aml inside how many replicas are set? Present in deployment.aml replica count is what? Present. By saying this 8. Now if you can check, maybe it will reach to 10 also. 10. Now kubectl. Okay. So creating a pods. But the thing, if you observe, few pods are pending. May know the reason? First we can check, debug the issue why pod is pending. How to check? kubectl describe pod, check the any pod, pending pod, take it, copy, paste. Issue is what? Okay, this is fine. Warning, fail, scheduling is fail. Why? 0 to 2 nodes are available means what? Insufficient CPU means what? Your end how many nodes are running? 2 worker nodes. Out of 2, 0 nodes are available to deploy this application. This pod means your node is full busy with the existing pods. I discussed already, right? Pod will share the hardware from where? Localhost, where the pod is running. Pod is running on where? Node. Node is busy with existing pod's hardware. So what we can do? Either increase the instance hardware or increase one more node. Count 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, something, right? Okay, let's keep like that. So definitely, whenever I create a Kubernetes cluster, auto scaling group will create or not? Definitely will create. This is my auto scaling group for Kubernetes. Whenever you can create a cluster, auto scaling group create a background. Click on the cluster. Desired set point is what? 2. Why? EKCTL create cluster command if you can give. By default, two nodes will be set, right? So minimum, maximum and all. Now I'm going to change desired 4. Desired 4 means what? Immediately 2 more nodes will be created. Now you can go and check here. See pending state. One more node is creating. This process we need to do through auto scaling. I'll give the task today. Understand? So if you do that, after this horizontal pod auto scaling, you may get a clarity, node scaling, pod scaling, service. Almost till here, you are able to clear interview. Most of the questions will come till here only, freshers level. So if you take generally AWS DevOps training, trainer will stop here only. Done Kubernetes. This is true. We can't do this, boss. Who is asking this question? Killer Coda is not your cluster. Killer, you know Telugu? SP? You know, right? కిల్లర్ కూడా జస్ట్ మనం అప్పు తెచ్చుకుంటాం వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి రిసోర్స్ని. అర్థమవుతుందా? తెచ్చుకున్నదే అప్పు. నాకు ఇన్ని నోట్స్ కావాలి ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయి, నాకు ఇన్ని నోట్స్ కావాలి డిక్రీజ్ చేయి. అసలే ఓసి మళ్ళీ నాకు కౌంట్ కావాలి అవి కావాలని అడిగితే వాడు మనల్ని బ్లాక్ చేస్తాడు. మన క్లస్టర్లో వీ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ అవర్ క్లస్టర్. టెల్ మీ ఫస్ట్ their clear coda how auto scaling group will create. Right? Okay, my favorite SP is okay. Guys, let's go and check now. Our customer done, right? 10 pods are running now. Clear or not? So kubectl get nodes. You can see 4 nodes. Clear the concept now? Before why pod is not scheduled, resources are not available. Now nodes are increasing, it's working fine. After some time, these pods will delete or not? Your request will end, right? So no load, pods will delete. You can check even kubectl get HPA. See now present is 0% load. Already done, your request is completed. So out of 1%, load is 0%. Replica count will be reduced gradually. Done. Replica 1 already now. Now kubectl get pods. 1 pod. But still 4 nodes are running, right? Why? Manually enable nodes. So you need to do today auto scaler nodes. So I think here only there somewhere I have updated. Yeah, day 7 is your work today. Day 7 explanation also there here. Day 7 I'm giving day 4. See how brilliant you are. You are brilliant. That's what I'm giving day 7 task to you. Just I have explained day 3 only. Yeah. So don't think for Corona, guys. Okay? Always it's coming, Corona coming, Corona coming. Don't waste your time spreading a news and all. If Corona come or not, if you have a talent, you will get a job. How you guys are sending like that, huh? Sir, any impact? Yeah, market, can we see growth in the market because of cases? Whoever think like that, now you believe or not, market, in the market, whoever work dual employment, 2 jobs in COVID time, everyone is free now. No jobs. PF updated 2 entries. Any company, one day, one extra day is there in the PF. Straightforward remove, layoff only. Many employees, even my colleagues, no job no, till 3 years. They are getting offers. After 1 week, they are again layoff. First BCV, first there need to be check dual employment is there or not. If dual employment is there, no job in IT. Even small company also. So take care. Don't do double jobs and all. Please. My job is not double job. This is just training all. I know that. No PF and all. This is just unofficial. Passion. So yeah, 10 years, 15 years employees, seriously, no job now. So finally, they have started institutes, YouTubes, thumbnails. They're doing kind of explaining the concept, like trainer. All are trainers now. Whoever don't have a job. So yeah, only 6 months, 7 months. Why guys double jobs and all? They know right everything. If I do one more job, PF also added. Minimum common sense. Why they did mistake, I don't know still. They're earning 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Still, they need 1 lakh, 2 lakh. They know everything now, right? If I give my PAN details, if I give my details, PF will update. They know. Wantedly they did. Companies also encourage it, right? Company also, right? Companies, this process, company also know, right? If I enable one a PF ID to a specific person, already it will show PF already there. Still they did. Mistakes 2 ends are there. Company end also there, employee end also there. They are not supposed to give PF, right? Already you have a PF, how you can? Both end crime is there. But finally companies are safe. End of the day, we are the impact. We have to face the impact, right? So please take care. Don't do the kind of mistakes. You can do, but without PF. Without PF means unofficial employee. You are not employee. Okay, bye. Thank you. So please complete the task today, whatever I have assigned to you. So tomorrow we'll discuss. Bye.